Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can fix the Tesla camera not working or fix camera temporarily unavailable error. Okay? It's really easy and simple. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to start by performing a soft reboot on your Tesla. Okay? So hold down both wheels, the both of those scroll wheels on the Tesla steering wheel until the screen goes black. Okay, and then wait for the Tesla logo to appear. This can resolve, minor software glitches that may be affecting the cameras. And then what you can also do is you can go ahead and check for obstruction. So inspect your cameras for dirt, ice, or debris that may be blocking the view. Okay, use a microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaning solution to wipe them down thoroughly. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and verify the camera calibration. So go to your car's touchscreen, tap controls, okay, then click on service and select camera calibration. And if needed, reset the calibration and allow the cameras to recalibrate as you drive. And of course, you can also ensure that the firmware is up to date. So check if your Tesla is running the latest software. Okay, go to controls, then click on software, and if an update is available, download it and install it. And if the issue still persists, go to controls and then click on safety and security and select power off. Then wait for about 2 minutes and then press the brake pedal to restart the car. And you can also go ahead and check ambient conditions. So if Tesla cameras, sometimes they can be affected by extreme temperatures or heavy rain. So if this is the case, wait for the conditions to stabilize. And as these cameras, they may resume working automatically, right? And if none of these steps work, you basically need to contact Tesla support for further assistance, as this actually may be a hardware problem. Okay, reach out to Tesla support via the app, or you can schedule a service appointment to get the cameras inspected. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.